Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to explain the objectives of accounting or the purpose of accounting. Why accounting is important for a company. Okay, I have written few objectives here. We'll understand one by one. The first or the main important objective of accounting is to have a systematic records of financial transactions. Okay, see every company wants to have a permanent, a well organized permanent records of a financial transaction or business transaction. See, in a company there are many transactions happens on a daily basis. For example, today company has purchased raw material from a supplier and company sold their finished products to a wholesaler, and company paid their electricity bill, company paid their water bill, company paid some amount for cleaning the building, and company paid their office rent. So like this there are multiple transactions happens on a daily basis. Okay, it is not possible for a person or an accountant to keep all these transactions in his memory. Okay, so that is a reason it is important to have a permanent record of all the business transaction. It is important to write down all the business transaction whenever the transactions occurs. Okay, so that is the first important objective. And the second important objective is to find out profit or loss of the company. Okay, see every businessman or every company wants to have a profit. The main motive or the main purpose of business is to make profit. Okay, so the accounting helps to find profit or loss of the company. Okay, accounting is important to find out the profit and loss of the company. Okay, how a company can find out their profit? By recording all the business transaction, by recording the total income and the total amount they have spent on the different expenses. By recording all these transactions helps the company to find out their profit or loss. Okay, so the second important objective of accounting is to find out the profit or loss of the company. Accounting is important to find out profit or loss of the company. The third purpose of accounting is better decision making. Accounting helps the company to take better decision. Accounting is important for a company to take a better decision. For example, a company is producing 4 different products. Product A, B, C and D. Company is manufacturing and selling 4 different products. Okay, with the help of accounting, company, the owner, the management of the company can come to know which product has a highest sale or which product is giving more profit to the company and which product is not giving that much of profit. Okay, so with the help of accounting, the management or the owner of the company came to know that product A, B, C are highest moving product. They are giving a good amount of profit to the company, but product D is not giving that much of profit. Okay, now the owner or the management of the company can decide whether to drop the product D, whether to stop the production of product D which is giving not good profit. Okay, or to invest more on advertising this product or to reduce the price. So like this company can decide on the basis of the financial data of the products. So for that accounting helps. So accounting is important for the company to take decisions. With the help of the financial data, company can decide. Okay, So the third objective, better decision making. The next purpose of accounting is prevention of fraud. Accounting, or the keeping a record of all the business transaction, helps the company to prevent the fraudulent activities in the company. Okay, accounting helps the company to find out what is the total amount spent on different expenses, what is the total income received from the different parties. Okay, and for each and every transaction there will be supporting document, or there will be proof for each business transaction. So because of this, there will be less or no chance of fraudulent activity. I mean, there is a very less chance or no chance for misuse of company's money. Okay, so this is one of the objective of accounting, to prevent or to stop the fraudulent activities of the company. The next purpose, to know the financial position of the company. The owner of the company wants to know the financial position of the company. That means the owner wants to know what is the total asset of the company, or what's total liability of the company, what's the total amount spent on different expenses, what's the total profit the company has made in the fiscal year. So like this, the owner wants to know the financial position of the company. So that is a reason why accounting is prepared. That is one of the reason. So the next purpose is financial information for the investors. So this is another important objective why the accounting is maintained. Okay, it's not just owner wants to know the financial position, it's also the investors who invest their money in a company, who wish to invest their money in a company. They also want to know our company financial position. Okay, so it is important for company to provide the necessary financial data to the investors, so that they can invest their money in the company. The last objective of accounting here is to fulfill the legal requirement. Okay, it means that accounting is must for most of the companies. Okay, so most of the companies has to maintain accounting. They have to maintain a record of all their business transactions. Okay, so this is the last important objective why the accounting is maintained, to fulfill the legal requirement. Okay, so I hope the objective part is clear. Okay, so in the next video I'll come up with a new topic. Okay, thank you.